guess what? New classroom next year. Good morning, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Brianna and I'm heading into the summer, but it will be my 4th year of being a 3rd grade teacher next year in North Carolina. Hey, I don't know how to speak this morning. It's 7:18. It's the start of our work days. We have 3 work days this week. I think I'm gonna film each one on its own just so I have some stuff pre-filmed because I am going home to New Jersey soon. Actually Thursday, so I'm gonna make them separate videos so I have some content for you guys while I'm away because I'm not really sure when I'm coming back. It's up in the air, but I'm just gonna be organizing my classroom, so I will show you what that's like once I charge my battery too. And I'm gonna head to Starbucks because all my kids gave me for the end of the year was Starbucks gift cards. I'm not complaining though. I'm gonna start by going through this. All right, so I've just cleaned this up. I don't know what I'm using it for next year, but I just wanted to organize it. It's fine, it'll be stored. I've started putting sticky notes to label everything, but I don't know what we're doing there. This is everything that needs to go home with me, and I think I'm just gonna sit down and scan my library right now. Good morning, guys. Nothing much has changed at all, actually. A lovely 5th grader who was scanning my library did not follow my directions, so I fixed all of that but didn't do anything new. But that's like my focus for today because it's my last day in my classroom, but everything else is pretty much done. Whatever I don't get scanned, I'm just gonna do at the beginning of next year, so that's fine. All right, guys, my library's done. It is all in here. I started stacking it like this, but then I got too many books. So it turned into this. And these are my student cubbies. And then there's everything. Hey y'all. Can you tell that I've been moving things all day? Because guess what? New classroom next year. I'm crazy, I swear. I'm literally standing in an empty room. Look at this. Goodness gracious. So all my stuff is out except for the carpet and my laptop, obviously, and then this situation I have to handle. I just took my rules off my wall. I have to reprint them for next year anyway, but I still want to hold on to them just in case. But let me show you.
My new room, this is the short walk down hall.
Here's my new classroom. So it's flipped. And this is, of course, where my cubbies went. It was actually really easy to move because I just stored all of my things in my cubby. Oh, good. I just stored all of my books in here. And then all this stuff I had to bring over on a cart. I did 2 cart loads and it all got over, but like that's all the stuff that goes behind my desk. So the nice thing about this room is it not only has the whiteboard, but it also has another bulletin board in the back, which is really big. Like the size of the whiteboard. There's a rectangle table back here, which I need to decide if I want to keep. There's a lot of these bookshelves in here. So there's a little 2-1 right here. There's 3 ones over here. And then these bookshelves back here, which I love these bookshelves, so I'm really excited. That filing cabinet's gonna go into my old room. This is the teacher who's leaving. That's all her stuff. And then I'll probably keep this one, but then get the rest of the bookshelves from my classroom over here because I really like them. So, I mean, I brought over all my stuff. I don't know if that's staying here. Obviously not keeping this rug. I need to bring my rug over. But yeah, this is my new room. The layout is different because from the door, the smartboard's right at the door. So this is kind of like my old room from 4th grade. And then also I have so much more board space, and I'm across the hall from my BFF. So I made the change. I just did it. It was on a whim today. Another teacher wanted this classroom and claimed it first, but then she decided she wanted a different room. So I did it. And here I am. And we have a training all day tomorrow, so I'm not even worried about the placement of these things because I get to draw up a map of the room anyway, which I'm gonna go home and do online tonight. I'm excited. I have to take that thing off the wall. See, these boards are so much closer. I can't fit a pencil there. Interesting. But I've already counted out everything, so I'm gonna put this into my online thing. But the only part about the furniture that's different is those bookshelves. So I'm gonna take a look. I have one of the really big ones, but I want the same amount of really big ones, I think. And I need to claim them now. A lot of changes are happening with the school and the grade level, and some of my favorite people are leaving, and it was just a really rough day. It was hard. People that I didn't know were even thinking about leaving, but that happens in teaching. And so we're gonna have 2 new teachers on our grade level next year. Oh, and I'm grade level chair, guys. I didn't tell you. So I'm no longer a BT, which in North Carolina, you're a BT for your first 3 years of teaching. So next year will be my 4th year, and I am, well, grade level chair. I guess it's, what else do you call it? Team leader. I'm running the show, people. So that's exciting. That's really exciting. I need to be happy about that. Thank you for all those of you who were reaching out to me on Instagram and just through email. I'm going through some personal stuff right now, so it hasn't been fun, but you know, I'm just keeping myself busy. So I think I'm gonna head out because I've done a lot today in a little bit amount of time. So I'm gonna sign off from my old classroom. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. It is a fun time in the summer, and especially with a new classroom and just new decorating. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.